Hi friends, today my recipe, just if you have two persons you can do this recipe. One is colocacia curry, that is arbi curry, and a combination of rasam. 200 grams of arbi or taro root. Wash well, it contains a lot of soil, then peel it. Take a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Once fried, then add 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves. Then add chopped 1 big size onion and a few curry leaves. Cut the colocacia into small pieces. Meantime, stir the onions. This much is enough. Put them into water, then wash again. Once onion fried, then add colocacia pieces. Mix well. Colocacia having some sticky consistency, that's why we can stir continuously. Now add required salt and 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric. Mix well, then it will release the water. Close and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Take another kadai, then add 2 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 red chilli, then 3 medium size tomatoes. Then close and cook. Take a mixing jar. Small jar is enough. 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 tablespoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 red chilli and 5 to 6 garlic cloves and powder it roughly. Tomato is softened. Then mash with ladle. Now add curry leaves. Then add half cup of tamarind juice and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and required salt. Boil once, then add 3 cups of water. Boil the water, then check the curry is cooked or not. Mix once. It's a softened, cooked well. Then add 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Colocacia contains some gummy consistency outside layer. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder or chilli powder. If you are adding chilli powder, please add less quantity of chilli powder. How much you can eat that spicy you can add. Now curry is ready. Check the rasam. This is a very easy recipes. Bachelors can do this recipe. Once boiled, add the rasam powder already I prepared in mixer jar. Then add 1/4 cup of water, then add to rasam. Boil once, 1 or 2 minutes is enough. No need to more time to boiling. Stove off, then serve with rice and chapati. This is very easy recipes. Within 15 to 20 minutes we can do this. Let me check how it is. It is very nice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.